we're doing some fried fish with potato, guys. Guys, I'm gonna do a little different thing today, okay? So guys, tune in and see what I'm going to do in this video, okay? But firstly, guys, I've already cleaned up my inside of my fish. I've cleaned my fish, guys, look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it now with some vinegar. Wash it, guys, with some vinegar, okay? Guys, my fish is clean, all cleaned up, okay? So now I'm gonna see. So guys, I'm just using some black pepper and salt. Just some black pepper and salt, okay? Just some black pepper and salt. So guys, always remember to clean up your area, guys, that you're cooking. Keep it clean. So guys, look at this now. My fish is seasoned, guys, okay? So the next step, guys, is to fry them, okay, guys? Fry them, guys. Remember to clean up your area, okay? So guys, my pot is on the stove with my oil and I am going to fry, okay? Look at this, guys. Okay guys, I'm finished. Fried my fish, okay? This is how it look. Back over this side, guys, I have my potatoes, okay? My Irish potatoes, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Guys, I'm gonna leave it to cook and I'll be right back. Okay, guys? Welcome back, guys. Welcome. Here is my final touch, guys. My fried fish, my potato. May I tell you? And I am serving it up, guys, with some plantain, some fried, nice brown. Guys, look at the plantain and my tomatoes. Guys, in Jamaica here we call it tomato salad, okay? And I'm serving up with a little water, guys, not juice, water, so you can get the good taste. When you drink up your water, guys, with your food, you get the taste. Okay, and after that you can drink some juice. But guys, thank you for watching. Please, guys, to subscribe to my video, guys. Share it, guys. Tell someone, guys, to tell someone. Share with your family, guys. And guys, I hope you enjoy, okay? Have a great one, guys. Bye.